Hello everyone, my name is S.N. Patel, NYNC College, Challenge. In this video lecture, we discuss the problem on piecewise continuous function. In this problem, the f of t is defined on the 0 to 2 and 2 to infinity, in which the f of t is piecewise continuous. Okay, let f of t is equal to 3 when it lies between 0 to 2 and 0 when t is greater than 2. Okay. Now see, the interval is divided into two parts. That is, if we trace its graph, the graph is, see, this is the t-axis, this is its image, that is f of t. Okay, the first is 0 to 2, in which the value of f of t is 3. Okay, and after that 2 to infinity, that time its value is 0. Okay, so this is the graph of the given term, given problem. Now by definition of Laplace transform, the Laplace of f of t is equal to 0 to infinity f of t e raised to minus st with respect to t integration. Okay. Now from given problem, the 0 to infinity is divide. See here, divide as a 0 to 2 and then 2 to infinity. Now it can be written as 0 to 2 plus 2 to infinity f of t e raised to minus st with respect to t integration. Now when f of t is lies between 0 to 2, then its value is 3. Value is 3 e raised to minus st dt plus 2 to infinity. When f of t is lies between 2 to infinity, its value is 0. Now 3 is constant. 0 to, here upper limit is 0 to 2 e raised to minus st dt plus here the second value is 0 because 0 into remaining term is 0. Now is equal to 3. Now its integration is e raised to minus st divided by minus s, and limit is 0 to 2. Okay. Now put upper limit for t, that is e raised to, put t is equal to 2, e raised to minus 2s, okay, divided by minus s. Now lower limit, that is minus sign, lower limit e raised to 0, lower limit is 0, put t equal to 0, minus s. Now we get the Laplace of the given problem. Laplace of f of t is equal to, now here see the minus plus second term and e raised to 0. The value of e raised to 0 is 1. Okay, and the denominator is same. The first term is negative. Keep 3 outside. Now it can be written as denominator is same, yes, and the second term is minus plus e raised to 0 is 1 minus e raised to minus 2s. Okay, that is the answer is 3 in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus 2s upon s. Okay, that is the solution of first problem. Now let us solve the same kind of the problem. Same question, find Laplace of f of t. Okay, if f of t is equal to sine function when t is lies between 0 to pi, and 0 when t is strictly greater than pi up to infinity. Okay. Now by definition of Laplace transform, I'm not writing late again, same problem. By definition of Laplace transform, Laplace of f of t is equal to 0 to infinity f of t e raised to minus st dt. Some author write e raised to minus st first and then f of t. Okay, doesn't matter. Now see the definition for 0 to infinity, and the problem is divided into two parts. So accordingly, we write the interval integration as a 0 to, see the first interval 0 to pi, 0 to pi f of t e raised to minus st dt, and plus pi to infinity, that is the second part, f of t d, sorry, f of t e raised to minus st with respect to t integration. Here f is to minus t. E raised to minus st. Put the value of f of t 0 to pi sin t into e raised to minus st dt. Now plus here in second interval, its value is 0. We can direct write 0 here. Okay. Now see, it can be written as 0 to pi e raised to minus st sin of t dt. We know the formula. The formula is integration e raised to ax sin of bx with respect to x is equal to e raised to ax upon a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos of bx. We apply this formula here where the value of a is minus s and the value of b is sin bx. The coefficient of x is b with respect to x, and here t with respect to t, that is the sin t, the coefficient of t is 1. It can be written as e raised to minus st divided by minus s square plus 1 square, okay, minus s sin t minus 1, b is 1, cos of t, and the limit 0 to pi, 0 to pi. Okay, now put upper limit t is equal to pi e raised to minus s pi divided by a square plus 1, sin pi is 0, sin pi is 0, minus cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0, cos of pi is minus 1. So here minus 1 and this minus sign, minus minus plus 1. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit, e raised to 0 is 1, 1 upon a square plus 1, sin 0 is 0, sin 0 is 0, and cos of 0 is 1. Here we get 0 and here minus 1. Okay, now last step. See here the e raised to minus s pi upon a square plus 1 multiplied to the 0, that is 0, multiplied to the 1 as it is term. Similarly here the minus 1 upon a square plus 1 multiplied first term, that is 0, minus 1 upon a square plus 1 multiplied to the second term, minus minus plus, that is plus 1 is here. And see the denominator is same, denominator is same. In numerator, what is the remaining term? Minus e raised to minus s pi plus 1 and divided by denominator same, a square plus 1. So this is the Laplace of f of t of the given problem. Okay. Thank you for watching.